If you run at 50 miles per hour into a stationary train versus a train hitting you at 50 miles per hour while you stand still, do you think the damage would be the same? Some think that since a train has so much kinetic energy, getting hit by it must be way worse. Others believe that since the relative speed is the same, the result should be no different. Which view do you think is correct? Let's watch a video first. There's a cow standing on the tracks and a train is slowly approaching. Before the impact occurs, if you haven't seen this video, can you guess what happens? A. The train gets tripped up. B. The cow gets sent flying. C. The cow explodes on the spot. The answer is C. After seeing the cow, are you even more convinced that getting hit by a train does more damage? But actually, according to Galileo's principle of relativity, a train hitting you and you hitting a train are essentially the exact same collision. The only difference is the frame of reference. The reason you think getting hit is worse is because you're confusing the train's total kinetic energy with the actual collision damage. At the moment of impact, you only absorb 1 bar of the train's energy, while the vast majority of it keeps pushing the train forward. But when you run into it, even though you only carry 1 bar of kinetic energy, almost all of it is absorbed by your own body. So the conclusion is, you hitting the train and the train hitting you yields the exact same result. Of course, the laws of physics only apply to mere mortals. If, the moment the train is in your face, the sleeping bloodline inside you suddenly awakens and your ancestral mitochondria instantly overclock to the max, forcing a 50 miles per hour train to a complete stop and absorbing every bit of its kinetic energy, then the damage from this hit would be way worse than you running into it. If you like this video, be sure to smash that like, share, and subscribe button.